Great places to visit in the United States. Kentucky, nestled in the heart of the American South, is a state that embraces bluegrass beauty, rich history, and genuine Southern hospitality. Known as the Bluegrass State, Kentucky offers a picturesque landscape of rolling hills, lush green pastures, and horse farms that have become synonymous with the state's identity. The iconic Kentucky Derby, held annually in Louisville, showcases the passion for horse racing that runs deep in Kentucky's veins. Visitors can explore the charming city of Lexington, known as the horse capital of the world, and immerse themselves in the equestrian heritage that permeates the region. Kentucky's natural wonders extend beyond its horse country, with the majestic Cumberland Falls captivating visitors with its breathtaking waterfall, often referred to as the Niagara of the South. History comes to life in Kentucky, with significant landmarks like the Abraham Lincoln Birthplace National Historical Park and the historic bourbon distilleries along the Kentucky Bourbon Trail, where visitors can learn about the state's rich bourbon-making traditions. Kentucky's warm and welcoming communities, soul-stirring bluegrass music, and delectable Southern cuisine create an atmosphere that invites visitors to relax, savor the charm, and embrace the genuine hospitality that defines this remarkable state. Subscribe or follow for more interesting places to visit.